everyone, welcome back. Today I figured we'd try affordable products. I have the new Juvia's Place Nubian Earth palette. I have their full coverage foundation. I have their concealer. And the blush I have is from Essence. Oh, I forgot to bring out a bronzer. I'm going to use the matte bronzing powder from Essence. And I'm also going to use the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. Alright, what color is this? I have the color Malta. I have problems on Ulta's website color matching myself. So this is either going to be a hit or miss. It's very thick, this foundation. You get 1 fluid ounce. That's what 1 fluid ounce looks like. I have my primer on already. This is a full coverage foundation. It's supposed to sweep and buff. Color match seems to be okay. I'm not really into full coverage foundations. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think it's matte looking. Covers everything. So if you have skin problems and if you're oily, this foundation would be for you. Once I get it buffed in, it looks okay, you know? I have the concealer. Hopefully this is the right shade. I have shade number 19. It's a big doe foot applicator. I'm going to put some of this concealer on my little plate and pick it up with a brush. Oh yeah, this isn't bad for a match. It's like a shade lighter for me. It has good coverage. A little bit goes a long way. a little bit goes a long way. For my concealer, I either go one shade lighter or one shade darker. No more than that, because I have crinkles underneath, loose skin underneath my eyes. And it highlights it too much when I smile. All right, let's see. I'm going to use the Milk makeup to prime my eyes. I'm going to set my under eye with a little bit of powder. And my nose. I'm going to take this matte bronzer, which I like, by the way. I happen to like Essence products. They're pretty good. I'm going to take my BK Beauty number 102 and just apply that around my perimeter. Has a light bronzing effect to it, which I like about this essence. It's not kapow. You can build it up. I like that. Then, let's see. I'm going to put on some blush. This is the blush by Essence. It's only a couple dollars. It's called Believing number 70. It's like a mauve almost. I like Essence. I think they make a good product for blush and bronzer. All right, then we got to get into the Nubian Earth palette. All right, there are no shade names here. So I'm going to take this Refer number 16. I'm going to go into this light brown right here and go all over my lid. Then I'm going to go into this mid-tone right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. And put that in my crease. So far, I'm liking this palette. Once you buff out that foundation, it's a little work. The full coverage doesn't look that bad. It looks really good on mature skin. It's getting the blend and the buffing. Then I'm going to take my little Angie Hot and Flashy. What number is this? The 502. I'm going to go into this shade right here and deepen up my outer V. A little bit too much. I'm going to use this number 16 ago. Now I'm going to use Angie's shimmer brush, which I love. I use it all the time. It's the A505. And I'm going to go into this shimmer right here and put that on my lid. So far, I'm really liking this palette. This is really pretty, the shimmer. This is beautiful. I like this palette. It's a basic neutral palette, but I like it. I would say it's good quality drugstore. It's good quality drugstore. I really like this mascara. This does not smudge. My last mascara smudged. This does not. I think I have a drugstore lipstick left. I didn't declutter them all. Yeah, I have the, what is this? This is called the L'Oreal Coloriage Nude Intense. It's called New Confidant. It's $171. It's a nude pink. I think L'Oreal makes good lipsticks, so does Maybelline. And that's it. That's my affordable look. Sans the mascara. Sorry. I'm just one of those people that only opens one mascara at a time. Well, anyways, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.